Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best trim removal tool is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter, a weekend warrior tackling a home renovation, or a car restoration hobbyist, having the right trim removal tool can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of trim removal tools, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect tool for your needs. Number 5. Auto Trim Removal Toolkit, 5-piece set. Introducing the Auto Trim Removal Toolkit. Made from durable nylon, this set protects your car's surfaces from scratches. It offers strong leverage for trims, panels, and dashboards. This car panel removal tool set makes removing dashboards, door panels, and plastic trim fast and simple. It's perfect for cars, SUVs, and other vehicle types. Designed to last, each car trim removal tool is sturdy yet flexible. It can handle tight angles and edges during disassembly without damaging fragile surfaces. This clip removal tool includes multiple shapes for different applications. It helps safely extract rivets, fasteners, and car clips without prying metal to metal. The lightweight car trim removal toolkit fits easily in your glove box or toolbox. It's ready for quick access whenever you need to fix, replace, or upgrade car interiors. What we like. This kit's scratch-resistant nylon construction is a game-changer, preventing damage to your car's delicate surfaces. If you're working on interior car trims, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to make your job easier, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. What people say. The no-scratch design ensures that the vehicle's interior remains undamaged, and the variety of tools included in the kit handles a wide range of tasks. The tools are made of durable plastic and come in a bright blue color for easy visibility. The tools are easy to use and designed to prevent scratching or damaging the vehicle's interior. Number 4. GOOACC 5 PCS Auto Trim Removal Toolkit. This kit is designed to make removing car panels and audio systems easy. It's a must-have for anyone who works on their car's interior. Made from impact-resistant nylon fiber, this tool kit is built to last. The material is non-toxic and won't easily bend or crack. This 5-piece set includes various tools for different tasks. You can use them for installing or removing car audio systems, dash panels, and more. These tools are always ready to assist you. Whether you're repairing your car's interior or restoring furniture, this kit is an excellent choice. The tools are designed with ergonomics in mind, making them lightweight and easy to handle. This design saves you effort during various trimming tasks. The package includes 4 car dash panel removal tools and 1 fastener remover. It's everything you need for auto trim removal. What we like. Made from durable nylon, this tool kit is built to last. It's designed with an ergonomic grip, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use toolkit for car audio and dashboard work, this is the one for you. What people say. The variety of tools made quick work of both the door panels and the dash speaker grills in my car. The thicker plastic pry bar worked great for the door panels, and both that and the thin notched flat wedge tools helped me get to the dash speakers. The tools are strong enough to handle stubborn clips and panels without bending, yet the plastic material is gentle enough to avoid scratching or damaging surfaces. The set includes 5 different shapes, which makes it easy to tackle a variety of jobs such as removing door panels, dashboard trim, and audio components. Number 3. Auto Trim Removal Toolkit, 13 PCS, Blue. Introducing a 5-piece trim toolkit and a fastener remover. This set makes removing car panels, door trims, and more, a breeze. It's designed to make your job easier. This toolkit is perfect for installing or removing car audio systems, door panels, and emblems. It's also great for interior repairs and furniture restoration. It's a versatile tool for various tasks. The Auto Interior Trim Removal tool is easy to hold and can reach tight spaces. It's suitable for both professionals and beginners. This makes the work more efficient. Made of durable plastic, this pry tool set is built to last. The ergonomic design is lightweight and easy to handle. This saves effort during use. You'll receive 5 trim tools and 8 tire valve caps. It's easy to install or remove car accessories without damage. The thin clip head reaches confined areas effectively. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of tools, making it suitable for various car modification tasks. It's easy to hold and access hard-to-reach spaces. If you like a comprehensive set that includes everything you need for car panel and door work, consider this. What people say. This kit worked exactly as described. It helped me pull out my car stereo without any damage to my trim and stereo. Works well and quality. Nifty and useful tool kit for automotive applications when removing trim panels and other associated components. Number 2. Goldblatt 4-inch trim puller. This trim removal tool has a larger contact area compared to traditional tools. It features an integrated wedged center that increases removal efficiency and prevents damage to both the trim and wall. Made from carbon steel and 65mm steel, this pry bar is built to last. The black electrophoretic and polished finish protects against corrosion, providing added durability and strength. It's a beefy tool that will hold up well. Ideal for various projects, including cabinets, countertops, and flooring. It can be used for kitchen remodels, removing baseboards, and pulling up tile floors. The edge can also pry up staples. The trim puller has an ergonomic, comfortable, and textured dipped handle. The impact-absorbing TPR plus PP handle makes it comfortable to hold. This tool has a built-in spring design that assists in separating the trim from the wall quickly. The 15-degree wedged center is for easy extraction of trim and baseboards. Goldblatt holds a US patent for it. What we like. The trim-saving design prevents damage to both the trim and the wall. It's built with sturdy materials, ensuring it can handle tough jobs. If you are looking for a tool for commercial work and home improvement, this is the one for you. What people say. This tool does exactly what is needed when in process of removing door window, whatever, trim in places where the trim removal process could, but cannot damage surrounding wall surface and appearance. It's well made, strong, smooth surface steel, and sturdy for exerting gentle to extreme force to remove trim. This has been a charm for trim. It hammers in nicely and then it pulls back cleanly. No worries about busting the trim or damaging the wall. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the leverage it provides saves a lot of effort. Number 1. BYNIIUR Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit. This tool kit is perfect for removing and installing automotive trim, including car radios, door panels, and window trims. It's suitable for various vehicles like cars, boats, and RVs. It makes repairing and restoring your vehicle's interior much easier. The kit includes 8 different styles of bumper retainer clips. They're made of durable nylon fiber and designed not to break easily. These clips are ideal for replacing door trim, fender, and bumper retainers. These adhesive cable clips help organize your car's cables. They stick firmly to smooth surfaces and are easy to use. You can arrange them in any way that suits your needs. The tools are made of sturdy nylon and feature an ergonomic design. This makes them easy to hold and use, saving you time and effort. It's great for those tedious repairs and maintenance tasks. The kit comes with a variety of tools, including car retainer clips, hook picks, stereo removal tools, adhesive cable clips, trim removal tools, trim clip removal pliers, U-shaped removal tools, upholstery fastener removers, and auto terminal removal key tools. Everything you need is in there. What we like. This kit is suitable for various automotive applications. It includes multiple retainer clips to meet your needs. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit for automotive trim removal and installation, you should consider it. What people say. The clip puller is sturdy and trim tools are well made. This is a very nice kit with great pieces to help you remove the door panel trim on your vehicle, and it also contains a bunch of fasteners in case you lose or break any. Having these trim removal tools made the job doable and everything came out awesome. The fasteners, which I wasn't sure I would have a use for, were needed on 2 clips I broke taking the door panels off. Bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.